Srishti.
Hi,
Please tell something about your placement journey.
I am Shrishti Arya and I have been placed in Pi Infocom, which is a Lucknow-based startup company, and my post is software developer, and currently I am doing work from home.
So Srishti, don't you think when you work from home you get less exposure?
Currently I am doing a online course, certification course. So right now I prefer work from home, but in further future, if I'll get a chance, of course I'll shift to work from office.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much, Srishti. Hello, Ashwini.
Hi,
First of all, a very congratulations to you.
thank you for that.
As we all know that you have been placed as trainee in Extra Marks, what were the goals that you have set for yourself?
First of all, my short-term goal was to get a job after being promoted from this college. So I have gone through the JD of the company. There I have seen that communication skill was mandatory for this company. So I have worked a lot upon my communication skill, and I have gone through the JD of the company where it all about training, how you are going to train the new generation student and how they are going to face an interview from that.
Hello, Muskan.
Hi,
First of all, a very heartiest congratulations for your upcoming future.
thank you.
Muskan, please tell us something about your organization.
I have been selected in TCS at Tata Consulting Services, which is a multinational company, and I am very grateful to get placed in that company, and I've been placed for a graduate trainee at fresher level.
Well, that's great. Muskan, are you looking for a short-term goal or for a long-term goal?
As TCS provides us job security and a good environment to work on, so I've decided to get a long-term journey in TCS.
Well, thank you so much, Muskan. Hello, Wes.
Hello Mansi,
Congratulations for your upcoming journey.
thank you very much.
Always, what are the suggestions that you would like to give to your juniors that will be beneficial for them?
First of all, since we will be moving into the job phase from the student phase, there are certain things that they should master. First of all, they should focus on their soft skills. They should manage their relationship well. They should also have the time management, and they should, since we are coming into the AI era, they should have passion for the growth. They should learn the new technologies that are coming into the market.
Well, thank you so much and all the best for your upcoming future. Hello, Akansha.
Hi.
Congratulations to you as you have been placed as Associate Analyst, which is a very quite responsible job. Akansha, we want to know that are you prepared for the challenges that you are going to face in your workplace, or the faculty members have made you prepared for such challenges?
I have been placed as an associate analyst role in Deloitte, which is one of the biggest company in the world, and it is a quite responsible job role. And as a fresher, I will definitely face challenges, but by taking some guidance from a senior and by learning new skills, I think I will face it. And yes, of course, university's faculty member have been helped me a lot in this process.
Hello, Nishant.
Hello Mansi.
First of all, a very congratulations to you.
Thank you Mansi.
Nishant, as we know that you have been placed as Associate Software Test Engineer and you are going to test others' software. But how about you create your own software in upcoming future?
Yes, I look forward for this opportunity. That's why I studied in this college. My respected HOD sir and other rest faculty of IT helped me out to learning these skills. In future, I will definitely develop some my own software which will help out this world to get their life better easier.
Thank you so much, Nishant. Hello, Himanshu.
Hello,
First of all, a very congratulations for your upcoming future.
thanks a lot.
Himanshu, can you tell us what are the key skills that we need to within the company to maintain the relationship?
Firstly, you need to be expressive for your words which you are having in your mind. Secondly, you need to improve your vocabulary, and you can do it easily by reading books and novels. And at last, you need to stay real and understanding to the one whom you are having conversation.
Hello, Asif.
Hi,
Congratulations to you for your upcoming future.
thank you so much.
Asif, do you think that college is only responsible for giving placement or students are also responsible for getting the placement?
College is not responsible for giving you the placement. College is responsible to bring the placement. The thing you have to done is to take the placement by yourself. It just like that कि मम्मी आपके सामने खाना ला के रख देती है, पर खाना आपको खुद से पड़ता है, वो हाथ से खिलाती नहीं है. कॉलेज आपके सामने प्लेसमेंट रख देगा, पर आप अगर कैपेबल होंगे तो आप प्लेसमेंट ले पाएंगे.
Thank you so much, Asif. On behalf of all the students, we would like to thank our placement cell for constantly working and bringing the best placement opportunities for all the students. Thank you so much.